Hey everyone, welcome back to Build with Uzair. Today I'm going to show you how to create an awesome travel and tours website using WordPress without any coding. You don't need to hire a developer. After watching this video, you will be able to do it by yourself. We will be getting hosting from hostinger.com and we will be using the Trevlo theme from ThemeForest.net. It is super easy. So without wasting any time, let's get started. This video will be divided into multiple parts. The first one is buying hosting from hostinger.com. So let's get to the website. Now we have to click on web hosting, specifically WordPress. Click on manage WordPress, and now we are going to choose a plan. So the premium share hosting plan is a great option for our website. Once you have selected your plan, from the menu you have to choose for how long you want to purchase the hosting and domain. So the 12 months, this is perfect for us because here we are getting a lot of discount and a free domain for 1 year. So let's click on continue. You can simply put your details and then you can put your domain name, and then you will be able to purchase it. Okay, after completing the purchase, you will be taken to your Hostinger dashboard. Let's move on to the installing WordPress. Let me log in into my website. It will take 1 minute, around 1 minute to load completely. As you can see, it loads successfully. Now they are redirecting us. Okay, so we have to click on the website. I'm managing a lot of websites for my client, so you will see a lot of website here. But if I click here, add website, and then click on WordPress, simply choose the language, email address, administrative, and you can put the password and then click on next. Now we are going to build a travel and tours website. It is in the business category. Click on next. We are not going to choose any kind of template because we will be using our template, so I'll just click on create blank site. I don't need any of these plugin because I'll be setting up my own personal choice plugin, because I'll be choosing the plugin which I really need for the website. I don't need all of these plugins, so I'll just click on skip. I'll just put a brand name, Africa Travel. So I'll just put anything like Africa Travel. Okay, I'll put description Africa Travels and Tours, and then I'll click on next. You can skip this step also. You can put your choice domain name. For example, I want to use facebook.com, so simply type it facebook.com. If this domain is someone is not using this and this is not taken, you can use it. If this is taken, simply click on this domain, the other domain, and then click on next. So you will be able to install your WordPress successfully. I'll just leave it here because I don't want to install WordPress. I already have. Then you will be able to see an option like this once you install WordPress. So click on admin panel and it will redirect you to your website dashboard. So this is our website dashboard. I'll click on appearance, themes. So for this here we need a theme file, and for the theme file we will be using a website called ThemeForest.net. Okay, so now this is the ThemeForest.net. We are going to search for a travel website, so it will show us the theme files according to our needs. So this website is based on a WordPress. We are going to build this website with WordPress. So I'll check on WordPress. We are going to build this website using a specific page builder which is called Elementor. We'll just click on this option. You can choose any theme file according to your choice, for example this one. So click on live preview, so it will show you how your website will look like in real time. There are multiple demo options. For example, I like this one, so I'll just click on it and it will show me how my website will look once I install and set up this theme file, as you can see. But I have plans to use another design, so I'll just click on second, and I like this design, so I'll just click on add to cart. I'll click on go to checkout, and I'll put my details here, and I'll click on create account and continue. After making the purchase, I'll be able to download this theme file. Then I'll come here and I'll click on add new, click on upload theme, I'll click on choose file, and then I'll click on this. So this will import success, this theme will install successfully. After here install now, so this theme will install successfully. After the installation, they will ask you to install WordPress themes, plugins which are required for this theme file. They have to click on it and then click on install. I have already installed the plugins, which are very simple. The way I activate these two plugins, you have to install it, the other plugins. Simply click on, after all these things, simply click on this BA setting and then come to demo content, because we need to install the demo content in order to work the theme file successfully. So this will allow you to edit and manage your website very easily, because a developer know how to build pages, how to do everything. But if you are not a developer and you are trying to build your own website, so simply import the demo content. It will help you to edit your website, to replace the content with the original one. So it will be very easy for you. And to make things easier, we can import the demo data that come with the Trevlo theme. This will give us a great starting point. So now go to the BA setting and click on demo content and click on setup demo content. After this, go to appearance and click on import demo data. And then click on import demo data. So once you install demo data successfully, the demo data installation takes around 3 to 4 minutes. So you have to wait patiently until the demo data successfully install and set up in your website. Now you can edit pages by going to the pages section here. For example, you can update the home page with your tour packages, destination and contact information using Elementor page builder. Now this website loads successfully. We have destinations, we have a little bit of detail about the company, we have bookings here, tours, packages here. But if I come here and click on the packages, I go to the second page. Now I have multiple design options. Like for example, if I click on this, so these two designs are completely different. That's why they create a separate page for each design. Like as you can see, this is a carousel. Now we have a second option. Both are different. So now it depends on you, which one do you want to keep. And for the home page, we have multiple options like home page 2, home page 3, page 4. This one is 5. This is our home page 1. This is the first one. This is the second one. I like this one a lot. This is the third one. This is also beautiful. This is the fourth one. Okay, so this is home page 5. Now we will go to our website dashboard, and then we will click on setting and then reading, and from here we will select the home page 5 because we like this, and then we will click on save changes. After saving the changes, if you are still viewing your previous home page, then you simply have to bring your mouse here and click on first also. It will clear the cache and you will be able to see your changes live in the latest update and version of your site. Okay, now if you see this home page, it is divided into three parts. The first one is header, this one is the main part, and the last one, this is footer. So if I want to edit this page, I'll bring my mouse here, which says edit with Elementor. So you will be able to see the header is separate, the footer is separate. If I want to edit the main part, then I'll click on edit with Elementor. If I want to edit the header, then I'll click on header 5. If I want to edit the footer, then I'll click on footer. I want to edit the main part, so simply I'll click on it and I'll open it in the new tab. It will take a few seconds to load completely. Once it loads completely, from here I'll be able to edit the website very easily. You don't need to hire a developer for building a website or for making changes in your website. After watching this tutorial, inshallah you will be able to edit and design your website very easily. So if I want to edit this section, what I'll do, I'll just click on it. You can choose a layout from here. By default it is layout 5. A different theme had different options. So for this theme we have these options. Now for the content, we have the content option. So from here, as you can see, we can change the heading, the title. From here we can change the subtitle. From here on the left side you see these social media icons. So from here, if I want to put my social media link, I'll just replace this link with my link, put my link here in the social media. I'll just replace the link and boom, it works. Now if I want to change the image, I'll click on it. I can choose another image from the images which I already have in the website, or I can upload from my PC. I like this one, so I'll just leave it. Now you see a button which says start booking. You can replace text from here and you can change the URL from here. If you want your user to redirect to another page, so simply replace the link here. You see all of these shapes, so you can change the shapes from here, or you can delete it if you don't want to keep it. Same goes for the second slider and for the third. If you want to add new, so simply click on add item. If you want to duplicate this and only replace the content, so simply click on it and it will be duplicated. So you have search options over here. You see this one, you have a date picker. You can make changes according to your choice. You have the slider options. You can change the slider options according to your choice. You can change the icons, you can change the speed and everything. Pad out, pad in, zoom out, zoom in. You can put the class animation class name and it will work completely fine. If you want to display dots, just enable it and you will be able to display the dot. Now if I want to make changes more in the style, so I'll just click on the style tab. From here I'll be able to manage the padding, the margin. As you can see, if I remove the margin 0, now you can see if I want to change the color, I'll just bring it to red. So everything you can manage from here very easily. And once you are done with the changes, so simply you have to click on this button which says publish. So all of your changes will be live. Same goes for this section as well. From here you can manage easily, edit and manage this section. At the end of this video, I'll share my personal phone number with you. I'll leave it in the description. So whenever you face any kind of problem, you will have my number. You can text me. I'll help you free of cost, and you can ask me anytime without any hesitation. And this is the advanced step. From here you can manage the margin, padding, sizes, etc., background, everything. And for all the changes, don't forget to click on the publish button. Now if you click here, we have tours. You can manage, you can edit from here. And also if you come here and click on BA settings, from here you can manage all the booking settings and everything from here, even the payment gateways as well. Now we have option for BA book everything. So these are the tours. If I click on one and click on view, so from here I'll be able to edit this template, this design very easily. I'll just click on it, and same to this page I'll be able to make changes because this one is also built with Elementor. You can also click on add booking object, you can add another one, and you can edit this one, and you can put your content, your images and everything without you can put your data, your content to replace with the demo one, and you will get a brand new tour pages with your content, which is very simple and very easy. You can manage rules, everything from here. This is very simple. You can manage language, features, booking type, booking location. This is very simple. And also you will have here, you will see two options. One is edit with Elementor and one is click edit option. So simply if you want to edit this content, the design, not the design, you want to edit content in the design, so simply click on edit, and from here we will be able to edit it very easily. You can select a pricing rule and everything. You can set it according to your choice. You can offer a discount, everything from here. If you want to enable fixed deposit amount, you can do it from here. Include, exclude, addresses, tour description. You can add as much as options you want, booking location, amenities, all from here. So this is a very simple website. And once you are done editing, so simply click on update, so all of your changes will be live. So this is how you can create a nice and a responsive travel and tours website without hiring a developer. If you want to add extra functionality to your website, so for this we have a section which is called plugins. So if you want to edit something new features, so simply click on plugins and then click on add new plugins. For example, if you want to add a WhatsApp chat, so I'll just search for WhatsApp and it will show me plugins which are related to WordPress, which are related to WhatsApp. If I click on install, so I'll have a WhatsApp live chat support in my website. It is very simple and very easy. So this is very easy. If you face any problem, you have my number. I'll drop here in the description and in the video as well. So just text me without any hesitation and I'll be able to help you. Now you have successfully created professional travel and tours WordPress website. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more WordPress tutorial. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.